Hey IELTS community, welcome back to IELTS One Stop. In today's video, we are going to cover an exciting topic for IELTS speaking. Describe an interesting traditional story. Now in this cue card, you need to narrate a story and express your feelings in a fluent and engaging way. And to make your answers stand out, I'll share with you 10 idioms, 10 powerful vocabulary words, and 10 natural phrases that you can use with meanings and examples. So let's dive right in. Section 1. Idioms. 10. Let's begin with idioms. These are great for showing a higher level of English. Number 1. Old as the hills means very old. Example, the story of the Mahabharata is old as the hills, but still people narrate it with pride. Number 2. Passed down through generations means told from one generation to another. Example, the tale of King Vikram has been passed down through generations. Number 3. Food for thought, something that makes you think deeply. Example, the moral of the story gave me a lot of food for thought about honesty. Number 4. Stand the test of time, remain valuable for years. Example, the Ramayana has stood the test of time and still guides people. Number 5. Learn a lesson the hard way, gain wisdom through difficulty. Example, the prince learned a lesson the hard way when he lost everything because of greed. Number 6. An eye-opener, something that reveals a truth. Example, the farmer's honesty was an eye-opener for me. Number 7. Once in a blue moon, very rare. Example, my grandmother told such special stories only once in a blue moon. Number 8. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Example, the story hit the nail on the head about kindness and humanity. Number 9. All ears, listening carefully. Example, as a child I was all ears when my grandfather narrated stories. Number 10. Moral of the story, the lesson learnt. Example, the moral of the story was that honesty always wins. Section 2. Vocabulary words. 10. Next, let's talk about vocabulary words that will make your story sound academic and advanced. Number 1. Folklore, traditional stories of a culture. Example, this tale is part of Punjabi folklore. Number 2. Mythical, related to myths. Example, the story had a mythical creature guiding people. Number 3. Epic, a long story about heroic deeds. Example, the Ramayana is an epic tale. Number 4. Legendary, famous and admired. Example, Heer Ranjha is a legendary love story. Number 5. Chronicle, historical record of events. Example, the story is like a chronicle of ancient struggles. Number 6. Moral compass, sense of right and wrong. Example, the hero's moral compass guided him towards honesty. Number 7. Allegory, a story with a deeper meaning. Example, the tortoise and hare is an allegory of patience over pride. Number 8. Protagonist, main character. Example, the protagonist was a farmer who valued truth. Number 9. Timeless, never outdated. Example, the message of the story is timeless. Number 10. Fascinating, extremely interesting. Example, I found the story fascinating because of its suspense. Section 3. Phrases. Now let's add some phrases that sound natural in speaking. Number 1. Sparked my curiosity, made me interested. Example, the beginning of the story sparked my curiosity. Number 2. Carried a profound message, had a deep meaning. Example, the tale carried a profound message about truth. Number 3. Captured my imagination, made me picture it vividly. Example, the magical elements captured my imagination. Number 4. Kept me on the edge of my seat, very exciting. Example, the suspense kept me on the edge of my seat. Number 5. Had a lasting impact on me, stayed in my mind. Example, the moral had a lasting impact on me. Number 6. Engraved in my memory, unforgettable. Example, the way it was told is engraved in my memory. Number 7. Taught me a valuable lesson, gave me wisdom. Example, it taught me a valuable lesson about patience. Number 8. Resonated deeply with me, felt meaningful. Example, the story resonated deeply with me because I value honesty. Number 9. Brought the story to life, made it real and vivid. Example, my grandmother's expressions brought the story to life. Number 10. Left me spellbound, amazed. Example, the ending left me spellbound because I didn't expect it. So there you have it. 10 idioms, 10 powerful vocabulary words, and 10 natural phrases that you can use to describe a traditional story in IELTS speaking. If you practice using these expressions, not only will your answers sound more natural, but you'll also boost your chances of achieving a band 7 or higher. Before you go, try this. In the comments, write one sentence using any idiom, vocab word or phrase from today's lesson. I'll check your sentences and give feedback. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IELTS One Stop for more tips. See you in the next video.